Hello everyone! Again, this is Busay. I edit again one logo tutorial. Please watch guys. Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Again, I start editing again one logo. Yan, I'm using PicSart. Because one, my viewers asking I need to do tutorial English. Even I don't know how to proper English, but I will do my best guys. Ayan. Because before I have already my which picture I want to use. So this one I need to cut out this one, and then I have one picture. Yeah, I get this picture in PicSart. No, I get that picture in Pinterest, and then I need to remove background. Yeah, this background I remove it. So I need to put my picture. Which picture? This is it. Yeah, we'll see if look good or no. Just I trying guys, if this one is good or no. We'll see, but I will try to picture if looking nice or no. And then and in PicSart apps you can make also their name, because this design is only straight, so you can make properly your name. And then you can choose color, which color you like you make the lettering which color, like like good looking also, which logo you use, if looking nice or not, just like that guys. Yeah, you can adjust there the lettering. You can put also the design of lettering. And then yeah, I get this one design. So downside, you can put your logo name, and then yeah, I make this design because my logo name is friend adventure. And then on the other side I put my name, yeah, in red. Yes guys, like that, friend adventure, that is my logo name. And then I put my code name, Boss Rai. Please subscribe my channel, Boss Rai. And then I try to remove, I erase because I want to try one picture. I will show you again guys how to do it. See, the magic one is like, see, you can erase the picture. Yeah, because in one my video, in one my tutorial, because that one is all circle, that's why it's very easy to remove the picture if you want to change the picture. But this one is like hub style, so I need to erase. And then this is it. I try my other picture. We'll see if looking nice or no. I make already my friend logo, like this one, only for friendship logo, nothing else. See, look guys, just adjust. You can adjust which one good or no. This, see, now it's looking nice. Oh, that one only guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel. And then you cap out, and then make circle, so you can use it now. You can use in Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and in TikTok. Thank you so much, everyone.